There's one summer merch niche that spikes hard in the weeks right before back to school hits, and most sellers upload for it way too late. I'm the Cha-Ching Queen, your merch on demand news assistant here at Niche Please. Stick with me because by the end, I'll reveal the one sub niche inside this trend that almost nobody is designing for yet. Get in early in your printing before the crowd even shows up. Here's the stakes. Amazon shoppers are in full seasonal buying mode all summer, and back to school is one of the biggest apparel rushes of the whole year. If you're not stocked up early, you miss the wave entirely. But here's the problem most sellers have. They wait until the calendar literally says back to school before they upload. By then, Amazon's indexing is behind, reviews are thin, and the top listings are already locked in. The fix is timing plus targeting. You design now in the summer heat so your listings age, get indexed, and pick up early sales before the real surge lands. So what's the niche? Think about who back to school shopping is actually for. Not just kids, teachers, and the parents surviving the chaos of a new school year. Teacher apparel is an evergreen goldmine, but summer is the exact moment teachers start thinking about their classroom and buying for it. That's your early window. Let's walk the fix step by step. Step 1, pick your angle inside the niche. Grade level shirts, subject teacher shirts, first day of school shirts, funny tired parent shirts, specific beats, generic every time. Step 2, do real keyword research. Type your idea into the Amazon search bar and watch what autofills. Those suggestions are literally what shoppers are typing right now. Step 3, write your listing for those exact phrases. Your title, brand, and bullet points should match how a real teacher or parent searches, not clever wordplay only you understand. Quick heads up before we go further. Don't try to design one perfect shirt. Volume of relevant, differentiated designs wins this niche. Now here's where it really gets interesting. Step 4, nail the design style. Simple text-based typography sells incredibly well in this space. Clean lettering, a clear message, easy to read on a thumbnail at small size. Step 5, offer variety across product types. The same great phrase can live on a standard tee, a fitted style, and a hoodie for the cooler classroom months ahead. A note on accuracy. I'm not quoting royalty numbers or tier thresholds here because Amazon updates those. Always check your current royalty and pricing right in your merch dashboard. Step 6, price with intent. Seasonal gift buyers around back to school are motivated, so research where comparable listings sit and position yourself competitively for the rush. Step 7, upload in batches and pace yourself. Getting your designs live weeks ahead means they can gather age, clicks, and any early sales that boost their ranking before peak. Now the loop I opened, the one sub-niche almost nobody crowds into, the support crew around the classroom. Think paraprofessionals, bus drivers, cafeteria staff, school counselors, and specialty subject teachers. Everyone designs for teachers, but these buyers rarely find a shirt made just for their exact role. That's the payoff. Hyper-specific role shirts have hungry buyers and thin competition, and they spike right alongside the main back-to-school wave. That's a niche about to explode. Combine it with the evergreen teacher and tired parent angles, and you've built a whole seasonal collection instead of a single shirt. Stay compliant while you do it. No trademarked school names, mascots, or logos, and keep your designs original. Amazon polices this hard, so protect your account. Here's your action for today. Open your search bar, pick 2 specific school role angles, and design your first 3 text-based shirts before you close the laptop. Do that and you're stocked before the surge instead of scrambling after it. Subscribe to the Niche Please channel so you never miss a merch on demand update. This was the Cha-Ching Queen. See you next time.